Oh, Todd, we're going handheld here, buddy. Not even using the gimbal. This is your Blues Deluxe. You don't believe me? This is your Blues Deluxe, and this is what us techs see when we do a recap. So, I just took it out, haven't inspected it yet, and I already found this. It looks like at some point, had a little screen resistor short. Another tech replaced this little dude right there, but we're going to do better than this. We're going to replace these screen grid resistors. We're going to do your plate resistors, plate loads, and a phase inverter. Going to replace your phase inverter coupling caps. We're going to do the whole shebang. Upgrade this. I'm going to bump this up considerably, your reservoir cap. We're not dealing with a tube rectifier, so let's take advantage. You need some headroom and bottom end, but let's not be concerned about losing touch. I'll go ahead and play around with the screen supply to add some juicy compression there so it doesn't feel like you're playing a piano. Let's see what we can do. Well, flip this guy over gently. And by the way, this connects to your pilot lamp. You noticed it was blinking. I'm going to go ahead and remove the heat shrink over the terminals there and resolder. So hopefully that'll cure that issue. And I could already see underneath the low voltage supply some evidence of charring beginning. Kind of hard to see from here, but you could probably start seeing a dark spot rather starting to form here. That is not uncommon. Typically see that there. And then over on this end, we'll see that dropping resistor for the foot switch starting to char the board. And when that guy goes, then that creates a bit of a nightmare for jumpers because there's some incredibly thin traces here. So let me get that going. I'll give you an update shortly. Bye. Oh, Todd, what a day. What a day. Woo! Man, I'm about to install these tubes for you here and give her a go. All the plate load resistors have been replaced. Filter caps upgraded to first reservoir cap to 80 microfarads up from 47 microfarads. Replaced your screen grid resistors with these beautiful little dales here. Same thing goes with your low voltage supply down there. You can see that. A nice little air gap, nice and healthy. Foot switch stuff, same goes there. Thankfully, didn't have to make any circuit board repairs. I did repair the connection to your pilot lamp, so you shouldn't observe any more flickering. If you do, it's the bulb. And then we'll just cross that bridge when we get there. What else can I tell you? Replace the phase inverter coupling caps with some high quality Panasonic ECQs. You can see them right there. These little guys right there. Beautiful. So let's get these tubes in there, bias her up. We'll get down with it.